Hey guys, Aaron Vanderveen down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today behind me I have a 2019 Limited 1500. Now this vehicle does come equipped with your 5.7 liter V8 and also has your fuel saver mode with the MDS. Now this vehicle does come equipped with 360 view camera and your forward front collision. You can tell because of this front camera here. Now you also have your park sensors in the front with your fully usable tow hooks. Now if you want to follow me to the side here, you do have your nice chrome accents being a Limited and all, and you do have your cameras underneath here, especially with your blind spot monitoring and your heated mirrors. Now if we're making our way to the back here, you also do see that you got your tie downs in the bed here, also with your bed utility group being LED lights on the side and your spray and bed liner. Now if you guys want to follow me to the inside, I'm going to show you a couple features. Hey guys, now that we're inside the 2020 Ram 1500 Limited, I'd like to show you a couple features. So if you're looking at the steering wheel here, you do have a nice wood grain here around, but it is also a heated steering wheel, and it comes with your adaptive cruise control and your regular cruise control as well. Now if you're looking down here to the boards of the pedals, you do have a pedal adjustment on the left side here. Now going to the gear shifter here, you do have your four-wheel drive auto along with your 4 high and your 4 low with your neutral button as well. Now if you look here, you do have your trailer brake system, and along with your traction control button, your tow haul, your park alarms here, and your air suspension auto leveling. Now looking into the center console here, it is fully customizable dash along with your wireless charging pad and your phone holders, of course. Now with the Limited, there's a couple features that I like to point out because it does have the coverings inside here. So you got your change holder here, your cup holders, but if you like a nice clean look, you can just cover that up. Now if you're looking here, you do have your lane keep as well, along with your park assist. Now if we're moving to the back here, you do see that it's full leather and the seats are heated and vented in the rear. And you do have your couple USB ports in the back along with your USB ports here as well. And one more thing I'd like to point out about this beautiful Limited is that it does come with a panoramic sunroof. Now if you guys have any questions about this amazing Limited, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time, and I hope to hear back from you soon.